Alright, so what is up guys? What is up again? Well, this is me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today I'm gonna be teaching you if how to download and install OBS in your PC. I already have OBS installed in my PC, but so instead, today I'm just going to teach you if how to download it. Alright, for PC. You know what? OBS is also one of the commonly used right now in terms of recording videos, live streaming, in terms of making lessons, right? Video lessons, offline recorded lessons, okay? And there are also so many things that we can do with OBS. Without further ado, let's start downloading OBS. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is, of course, to type in or proceed with your Google Chrome, alright? And proceed to Google to search the download link for OBS, okay? In here, we'll type in OBS free download. There you go. Then press enter and we will be redirected to the website of OBS. We have here the first one, download OBS. Click this one and here we are now, my dear friends. We are about to install our OBS. Actually, I am using Windows right now, but there are so many different versions of this one according to the specifications of your gadget or laptop. We have here for Windows, for Apple, and for Linux. Alright? So, since I am using Windows, I'm going to download the installer for Windows. Okay? We have here download installer. If your operating system is 32-bit, you may download 32-bit version here. But if you will click this download installer, definitely it's 64-bit for Windows. If you download this one, then your download will automatically start. We have here this one, OBS Studio Exit. This is actually the latest version. But since I've already downloaded my software, OBS, I'm just going to tour you with my OBS software. Okay? Right now, I am currently using a display capture. Right? This is actually OBS right now. I am recording my video. Right? If I'm going to just focus my video, right? Alt. There you go. I am currently using OBS right now. I'm currently recording it. Right? So this is just the simple environment of OBS. Actually, there are so many things that you can do about OBS. With my next video, I'm going to show you if how to manipulate the basic things or basic steps about OBS. Alright? So this is just if how to download OBS. Okay? That's it for now, my dear friends, and see you again next time.